What up, everybody? This is DJ Awesome Rob from the Great Editing Beyond. This Atlanta series is gonna be a lot, so it's gonna be out of order. It's gonna be a little chaotic, but in the interest of getting a video out at some kind of reasonable time, this is what it's gonna be like. So, thanks for coming back. Thanks for tuning in. Get subscribed. Check out everything that we got on the page because it's gonna be a while before the next one, but we gonna try and get it out as fast as possible. So, enjoy. It's us, and we're gonna talk about stuff.
We are going to talk about a bunch of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, coffee up, right? Good coffee.
The Colombe.
Coffee. An Americano, because I'm American.
I don't think that's what that means.
I know. It was like Americano just means boring. Okay, but it's good. It's decent coffee. It's fine. It's drip coffee, whatever. So I'm here.
I'm here too. We're here at the Hilton still. This is day 2, 3.
I don't know.
No, it's day 2. We came in, got in on Friday.
Yeah.
This is Saturday.
Friday
night.
morning. This is vacation day 3.
Right.
Yeah, but we got here Friday morning. This is Saturday night. We just saw some fireworks. We saw some Juneteenth fireworks.
Yeah.
From our room.
Which was weird, but
it was. But it was cool.
Yeah, we missed just about. I think we missed everything we wanted to do for Juneteenth. But I think what we experienced in lieu of that was some really great people just be out and about and see the city and talk to people and stuff.
Yeah, we've met so many really nice people, and opposite of that, we've seen some rude people.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's actually interesting, right? Because so we're here, it's Juneteenth weekend. It's FIFA month here. And then
it's World Cup time.
The Lions Club is having a convention here. And
somebody down in the comments explain what the Lions Club is, please.
I know, we just have to Google it. So it's been an experience, right? It's been really cool and interesting.
There you go.
He's telling me to move over. Mm-hmm. Experience. I don't know a thing about soccer. Apparently, I just learned some stuff. So I didn't know that there was a 90-minute clock and then the game's done.
Yeah, pretty much. Soccer, go.
Yeah.
And it's over.
All right.
That
so
took 3 hours.
What did we do yesterday?
Yeah, let's start from the beginning.
Okay.
We got off the train.
We got on the train.
Yeah.
At Penn Station, Baltimore.
Yeah, we could probably do a whole video about that trip.
That's a whole different video in itself.
But basically, is we got on the train in Baltimore, got off the train.
Yes.
In Atlanta.
At 8:50 something a.m.
Yeah, train was on time. Maybe it was like 5 minutes late to the station, but train was on.
I think it was
relatively
early.
On time.
I think it was like 5 minutes early. I don't think it was late.
Yeah, but what we didn't know was that the station is like.
Oh my God.
The station is way above where the train actually drops you off at, and you gotta climb up a whole giant flight of steps to get into the station.
You have all your luggage. You gotta climb up for days. I mean, it was an elevator, but it's I would rather say, and we did. First of all, the line to the elevator was 5 days long, so we would have got here next Wednesday. But I just would rather leave it for people who have strollers with babies, elderly, ADA.
Yeah.
Maybe
have more than one
people
elevator.
with disabilities. And so we had our gear, our luggage, and we just
get an escalator.
Well,
put in an escalator.
It's a historic. It's like the original train station. That's still the orial.
Still use it. It would be great if it wasn't
And then you
a pain in the
walk
neck to
in, and
use.
it's total chaos.
Yeah.
And then all you hear is taxi. You want a taxi? So you're haggling. Anyway, whatever. I negotiated. We didn't haggle, but I was like, "How much?" He said 30. I feel like that was probably about the same as an Uber. And also, what did we learn? Oh my gosh, we would have called an Uber and a robot car would have came and picked us up. And I would have been
I don't
like,
think they were going
what
that
is
far.
this?
But yeah, they got the Waymos out here. I thought the Waymos were just in
I
San
never
Fran.
heard of it.
Yeah,
In where? In France?
San Fran.
Cisco?
Yeah,
That's another bucket list
Town
city
of
of
the Dragon.
mine.
Yeah.
So anyway, so we get to the hotel and it's like not even 9, it's like maybe 9:15 a.m. and we were actually able to check in early, which was wonderful because I was like, what are we going to do with our luggage? What are we going to do? So shout out to Miss Jada. She was wonderful, 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 wonderful check-in representative or service, front desk service. Rep. She was a super cool person. She was great. And we are on the 19th floor. We're not right now. We're on the second floor. We are on the 19th floor, and we have a wonderful view of this beautiful metropolis. And it is an amazing view, which is why we got to see the fireworks. And actually, we didn't even know that they were happening. We just happened to come back up from dinner and bring our stuff down. And it was like, whoa, what's going on? It was like an impromptu.
Like, oh, okay.
Right. It was like a surprise, like, yay. I am on coffee. And so it was just quite the experience. Now we did meet our friend came to hang out with us today, and he came last night. So shout out to EOD 89, and we caught up and everything like that. We went to a ghost tour, an Atlanta ghost tour.
Yeah.
Yes, and we met Miss Etta.
But Atlanta, we're not really known for being haunted. Okay, we are the Peach State's capital. We serve more than 6 million people, but we still have a deep, dark rooted past. Okay?
And Etta was amazing, wonderful at everything, superb. Shout out to you.
A wealth of knowledge.
A wealth of knowledge, like very into it, very animated, and just very like awesome at it. And on the side, like in between the acting and stuff like that, and telling the ghost stories, like we had conversation. Yeah, she was very personable. She was personable with everybody. We were 7 people deep.
At least.
Yeah, I think we were just 7 people. And
hold on. The logistics of doing a ghost tour at 7 p.m. in the summertime. It's like, meet me with a lantern. Okay, well, it's bright and sunny out, so
and it was
could
hot.
Be anybody.
We were all sweating.
Yeah, it was a ghost tour in the broad daylight.
Yeah, but it was still fine. It was like super cool stuff. I love ghost stories, and just it's really cool. So yeah, so she was very personable in between the acting, and we got to learn about each other, and we were having a conversation, and it was great, and like we exchanged binge watching shows, and we talked about movies and thrillers and things like that. It was so cool. She gave us she gave me a lot of tips because I'm vegetarian, so she told us she gave us suggestions on where to go to eat. She said Mary Mac's Tea House, the Slutty Vegan, and the something mushroom is I told her about the mushroom place, and she said that's mostly just pizza, but she said I think it was like Sunshine something. I wrote it down. But yeah, so she was very helpful and just wonderful and amazing, and it was like one of those personable things to whereas when the tour was done, like we did the extra tour, and when the tour was done, like we had gotten to know each other so much. Like I think that she went in for like a hug, and I didn't realize it until the last second, but also I was sweaty, so I didn't want to like but it was like just that natural instinct of like, oh my God, so good to have met you and be with you, it is just like that Southern charm. So I'm sorry. Next time I see you, I will give you a big hug because you are so awesome and I love you very much. It's so great.
Yeah, and it was a couple other families that were walking with us as well.
Yeah.
It was, what did she say? There was like one triggering story, probably not the most kid friendly, but
she told it anyway. It was very she gave a warning.
Friendly. It was a good time.
Yep, and
we saw the other family like later that evening.
We did at our hotel, but the hotels, there's 3 major hotels that kind of have a sky bridge to each other. It's the Hilton, the Marriott, and the Hyatt Regency.
Yeah.
And
Yep.
so they all have a sky bridge into each other. So we're at the Hilton and we wanted to go to like the food marketplace, whatever. So we take the sky bridge over to the Marriott. And the first thing that we see is like the family that was with us for the ghost tour just chilling at a table playing Uno as a family. It was like mom, dad, son, daughter. That
Yeah.
was like picture perfect.
Very similar to here, where it was like a quiet corner. They were just hanging out.
Yeah, and they were so nice and so awesome. Like I'm telling you, when I tell you that we have just not ran into any ignorance, like everyone, I mean, there's gonna be stuff, but
Yeah, I think-
everybody that we've really had like interactions with has been like amazing. We met just now in the elevator, we met someone who is from the Lions Club, right? And she just started talking to us and, where are you guys from and what brings you to Atlanta and where are you from? She said the Cleveland area.
Yeah, she was impressed with how nice it was in the city too.
Yeah.
It's a big city. It is huge and the traffic is bad.
Right. Yes.
That's what everybody says. And
well,
they
we
are
already
correct.
know that Atlanta traffic is horrible, but
And the train station.
okay. And I mean, whatever. So the airport is probably way worse.
Yeah.
So we had fancy Hilton dinner, and I gotta say that it was not worth the price that it cost. They only had one dish that was veggie friendly, vegetarian friendly. I'm not really sure about vegan friendly. I think it probably was because I got a cauliflower steak and it had like beans, lentils, and quinoa mixed in with some kind of sauce that was really good. So then I went to the cafe and got a personal cheese pizza to eat later because
Right. That's like getting like when we go on the cruise, you get the food at the fancy sit down dinner, and then let's go get gross pizza from the buffet.
Exactly.
Which is great because it's pizza and it's cheap and it's good.
I mean, we did that last night and it was like, what was it, like
here is
11?
not cheap, but it's good.
No, it's not cheap. Yes, it is good. So the place with the pizza closes, I think at 11. So we went at like 10:45. And it was so cool because, that's what we do on the cruise ship. Like, we will wait, and not necessarily that we're doing it on purpose, waiting until the last minute to get our gross pizza. But, like, we've been out at the club on the ship, just, doing the cruise ship thing. And then it's
we
like,
know enough to go before the crowds get there.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You got to go before the club lets out, right?
You got to go when the pizza's good and then before the club is out. So you got to get right in there.
Yes. But I mean, that's like cruise ship stuff. We're not even on a cruise ship.
Yeah, we don't have like a good point of reference here.
I know, yeah. So, but it was like cool. So we got the pizza. I got my pizza. So let me tell you about this morning.
Wait.
What?
I say welcome to the DigiKast.
I'm sorry.
We do vacation on a budget. So this is not a budget trip, apparently.
This is not a budget trip.
So if you're gonna go the Hilton Atlanta, get a deal.
Wait a minute.
It's great, but
this kind of
it's
the
a budget
Hilton
trip.
is expensive, but you can budget.
You can do it on a budget.
You can do it on a budget. You just have to.
You might want to piecemeal everything.
Yeah, it's everything else. So the hotel was the most expensive piece of this particular trip.
Yeah.
Everything else you can do. You don't have to have the fancy dinner that costs $100.
Don't do the fancy dinner.
No,
it's not.
It's not. And we paid $104 for
180.
cauliflower and a burger.
Angus burger.
So
and some fried green tomatoes that were
not even that
didn't really taste like
it was
tomato.
like bad.
Yeah.
So okay.
Like
what was I saying? Oh, we only
good for
did
what
it.
it was, but not good
so
for the
you
price.
can see the menu in advance, and we knew what we were getting into, but we only did it so that we could review it. Because that is what we do, right? Vacations on a budget. So that necessarily wasn't within our budget, like at all, but we still did it because we wanted to review it. So we will do that in another video.
It's not great for vegan options. It's not great for budget pricing. But the food was good.
Vegetarian.
The food was good though.
I'm a vegetarian.
The food was good.
But it's not good for
about
vegan. It's not good for if it's not good for
burger
vegetarian, it's not good for vegan. Okay. So yeah, but let me tell you about this morning. So Well, wait. Should we move to a different location?
Oh yeah, we got the.
Yeah, let's go to a different location.
All right.
Hey guys, I really want to tell you about that morning, but it'll have to wait until it's edited. Get subscribed so we can tell you all about it. We did a whole bunch of stuff on this trip and have to break it all down for YouTube. Thanks for watching. Love the world.